A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd. Chapter What Do You See? Chapter English Chapter 4.4 Story Time What Do You See? Listen, repeat, and enact. This is a story from Mahabharata. Arjun, the prince, his brothers, and cousins were being trained in archery and warcraft by the great teacher Dronacharya. Once Dronacharya called all his students. He said, I would like to see how you are practicing your archery skills. I will take a test. So Dronacharya called all the students together. He placed a wooden parrot on a branch of a tree. He said, Now all of you get ready with your bow and arrow for the test. Look at the wooden bird on the branch of the tree. You have to hit exactly his eye. All his students were excited. They stood in a line for the test. First came Bhim. He stretched his bow and set his arrow. As he was about to shoot the wooden bird's eye, Dronacharya said, Wait, Bhim, tell me, what do you see? Bhim replied, Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds, and the sun. Dronacharya said, Bhim, you will not shoot the wooden bird right now. Then came Yudhishthir. Dronacharya asked him the same question. See? Then came Yudhishthir. He is a Yudhishthir. Then came Yudhishthir. Dronacharya asked him the same question. Tell me, what do you see? Yudhishthir replied, Guruji, I see the wooden bird, the branches and the tree too. No, said Dronacharya. You are not ready to shoot yet. All the students were asked the same question, and they all told about many things they saw around. They told that they could see the sky, the clouds, the sun, the tree, the branch, the wooden bird, and their friends too. But Dronacharya was not happy with their answers. Now let's see what happened further. Now whose turn came? Let's see. Then he stopped everyone. Nobody got a chance to shoot the wooden bird. See? He has given everyone chance to shoot the parrot's eye. Okay? Now, at last, he stopped everyone and he said nobody got a chance to shoot the wooden bird. Finally, it was Arjun's turn. Arjun was very good archery. When he came forward, Dronacharya asked him the same question. What do you see, Arjun? Arjun looked at the wooden bird and focusing on its eye. He replied, Guruji, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. See, Arjun replied, I can see only the eye of the wooden bird. Okay. What else do you see? Asked Dronacharya. Nothing else but the eye of the wooden bird. That is all I can see, replied Arjun. Shoot, said Dronacharya happily, and Arjun shot the arrow. It hit the wooden bird's eye exactly. The wooden bird fell down. Dronacharya patted on Arjun's back and said, focusing on your goal helps you to achieve it. Okay, so what do you learn from this story, students? Focusing on your goal helps you to achieve it. Okay, meanings. Archery, the skill of shooting with a bow and arrow. Archery, the skill of shooting with bow and arrow. Warcraft, the art of fighting in war. Excited, happy, stretched, pull something to make it longer. Focusing, concentrating one's attention on something. Goal, an aim or desired result. Okay, this is the meaning of these words. Now answer the following questions, students. First question, who was Dronacharya? Answer is, Dronacharya was a teacher from Mahabharata. Second, what were Arjun and his cousins being trained in? Answer, Arjun and his cousins were trained in archery and warcraft. Third, what did Dronacharya ask the students to do? Answer, Dronacharya placed a wooden board on a branch of a tree and asked the students to shoot its eye. Okay, now you have to write this question answer in your English notebook. Now some more questions over here, students. Look here. Question 4. Why did Dronacharya not let Bhim and Yudhishthir shoot the wooden board? Answer, Dronacharya did not let Bhim and Yudhishthir to shoot the wooden board as their focus on the goal was not clear. Now last question, students. What did Arjun see? Answer, Arjun saw only the eye of the wooden bird. Okay, now you have to copy down this question answer is also in your English notebook. Okay, few more questions here, students. Look here. Who said the following? First, Guruji, I see the sky, the clouds and the sun. Now let's see who said the following. Answer, Bhim said to Guru Dronacharya. Bhim said to Guru Dronacharya. A second question, second sentence, you are not ready to shoot yet. Okay, answer, who said this? Guru Dronacharya said the Yudhishthir. Guru Dronacharya said to Yudhishthir. Okay, third question, Guruji, I can see the eye of the wooden bird. Answer, Arjun said to Guru Dronacharya. Okay, so this is the who said to whom. Okay, now this exercise also you have to copy down in your English notebook. Now these are the dictation words, students. Look and say. Okay, prince, archery, test, gathered, wooden, bow, arrow, exactly, shoot, goal. Now again I am going to repeat it. Just listen carefully and repeat after me. Okay? Prince, archery, test, gathered, wooden, bow, arrow, exactly, shoot, goal. Okay? So students, these are your dictation words. You have to learn and practice at home. Okay, some more exercise over here students. Unscramble once again. Unscramble the following words, find them in the story and underline them. Okay, so these are the unscrambled words. You have to scramble it and make a sensible word from the passage or from the this chapter. Okay, so the first answer is archery, second is wooden, third is bow, fourth is arrow, fifth is shoot. Okay, and what is the come on, spell out this word spelling. What is the spelling of archery? ARCHERY, archery. Second, WOODEN, wooden. Third, BOW, bow. Fourth, ARROW, arrow. Fifth, SHOOT, shoot. Okay, now this is end of your chapter. Now you have to practice at home this question answer also and reading practice. Okay, bye and have a nice day students.